Hi, it's Tisha from over here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I want to let you know what I love about Miik clothing. I love the fact that it's women-owned and made in Canada. Woohoo! That's something definitely that I am looking for in the fashions that I buy these days. The fact that it is classic, that the fabric is eco-friendly and amazingly comfortable, exceptional quality. I've had pieces from Miik in my closet now for years, and they honestly look exactly the same now as what they did when I first bought them. I look put together when I put it on. I can dress it up, I can dress it down, but the best part is it's so comfortable. Like, seriously, this is a blazer that looks really sharp. I do not feel restricted in any way. I am super comfortable, and the colors are amazing. Every time, compliments. Who doesn't love that? So thank you, Miik. I love you.